Hello, my dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class. Today, children, who are they? Somebody is watching our class. Who are they, children? Yes, they are wild animals. Children, among these animals, which is the largest land animal? Yes, largest land animal is elephant. We all know that one. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have a long trunk and very thick skin. Elephants have the largest brain among all the land mammals. Children, today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, a new poem named Make Room for Elephants, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for All Trees Still Grow in Dara. Now, let's enjoy this poem. Make room for elephants. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's Dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. To elephant, he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. Here, the poet Ruskin Bond tells in his piece of work about the crowded world and the elephants are compared to it. The character in the poem. Yes, here character in this poem, a boy. A boy is the central character in this poem. Wonders, where would the elephant stay in this crowded world? Here the boy is thinking about the elephant because we know elephant is the largest animal in this land. So the poet wonders this crowded world where it can stay. He further say if they don't get any space out there, he would happily share his room with them. If he brings his mother too, then he happily share his father's garage to that mother. He know his father wouldn't mind it. But the poet wonders what would happen if the elephant's dad comes over to stay with them too. The poet is surprised how his mom would react to it. Here, Ruskin Bond says about an innocent boy's thinking. We know elephant is the largest land animal. They can't live in a room. And they are the gentle giant of the animal kingdom. Make Room for Elephants is a humorous poem. Everybody should recite the poem because it's a very easy poem and also very funny. Now let's check the meanings. First one, gladly, meaning happily. Next one, garage, meaning a building where a car is kept, built next to or as part of a house. Bath here means meals. Okay, children, this is a time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.